This is Friday, the 30th of September. This is a poor man's hunt. Yesterday was the first day in a month I felt like a human being. And in the morning, this morning, I'm gonna give it a try. Bob is off up in Montana. I missed that trip. And here I am, hobbling along with old dogs. And I know this ain't the real thing, but it's the best I got. And I've put out, I think, 5 birds, Ronnie and I. We gonna see what we can do. I hope that I can see a dog point and I can shoot at them, and with the blessings of God, maybe I can get one of them things. We'll see. It's a pitiful cry from Montana, but that's about all I can do. I am just so thankful that I can do this. Over this past month, I didn't know what I was gonna do. I'm not well, but I'm a-getting there by the grace of God. Dear God, let it be. I think Miss Lucy smells a bird. There's Annie down here. Whoop, Annie! They are doing it. Ha! Annie wants to move. I'm amazed that she found the bird before Lucy. We'll see what happens here. I got these little birds in a cage rather than handling them, putting their head under the wing. Lucy's way back there pointing. Oh Lord, my health is always better in November, so Havilah Babcock says, and I've said before, all of nature's sap rises in the spring. Us bird hunters' sap rises in the fall. I hope this camera is working. I don't know if it is. I hadn't turned it on since last year. Annie's right here. I think she's about 2 inches from the thing. Ronnie's coming on the thing, and I'm gonna see what I can do. I think she sees this little bird. Well, I missed him twice. Lord, I did so good on the first bird. I'll see what I can do on this one. I couldn't do no worse. That's for sure. I believe Annie's got it again. Poor Annie. Where is Miss Lucy? There she is. Whoa, baby. Whoa, Lucy. Whoa now. Well, I'm shooting 100%, and Annie's shooting 100% finding them. Lucy just backing today. There's Miss Annie in there. Whoa. Whoa. Ah, Lucy! No! Come here. Whoa. 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 Good Annie. Good girl. Whoa, girl. Whoa, Lucy. Whoa now. Come on. Okay, this is the last deal. Good thing of it, I ain't killed one yet. I don't think I bumped a feather. Annie had these pointed. Lucy came in. She's backing. Whoa. Whoa, Lucy. Whoa, baby. Whoa now. Whoa now. Whoa. Whoa, Annie. Good girl. Good girls. Now maybe Sammy can get one here. Dead. Dead bird.